Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies milk chocolate step by step. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9x13 pan with parchment. Melt 8 Oz milk chocolate with 1/2 cup butter over low heat, stirring until silky. Whisk 1 cup sugar into 2 large eggs, then blend in the melted chocolate. Fold in 1 cup flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt, then pour and bake until set. Start by bringing ingredients to room temperature for best results. Melt 8 Oz milk chocolate and 1/2 cup butter together slowly, stirring constantly for a glossy finish. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup sugar into 2 large eggs until slightly thickened, then mix in the chocolate. Gently fold 1 cup flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt until combined, keeping some air for a tender crumb. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing great recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The container I used here makes cleanup and meal prep a breeze, and it pairs surprisingly well with batch-baked brownies for lunches or gifts. Check the description to find the product link and other deals I mentioned, and thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Pour the batter into the prepared 9x13 pan and smooth the top evenly with a spatula for uniform baking. Bake at 350 degrees F for 22 to 25 minutes until the center is set but still moist. Remove from oven and cool fully in the pan to achieve clean slices and the ideal fudgy texture. Once cool, sprinkle flaky sea salt or powdered sugar to taste and then slice into squares for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.